Welcome back, gang. It's your boy Mr. TGM, and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna drop off the Linc. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna try to get a Mooney in that thing. It's about to take it to the shop right now. I'm running late actually. Yeah, it's been a lot going on. I broke the car, I bent my rims, hopping. I got the extension cord, so I'm getting good with the switch. But yeah, I broke the car. Battery tray broke. But we're gonna get to the shop. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm running a little bit late, but yeah, y'all see it, man. We're on the way to get our moon.
Yeah, that's super clean work, bro. He was fast too. I was like, damn. Yeah, that's super fast. Damn. 24 hours.
You want to get your shop out?
Sunroof et cetera, 2530 East Midtown Road, Phoenix, Arizona.
Right on, man. Y'all give him a shout out, man. Go give, hey, run them stars up, man. They did a really good job, man.
Welcome back, gang. It's your boy Mr. TGM, and I'm back with another video. It's been a long time, y'all, but I'm back. Just out here cleaning up my whips. Just cleaned the ZL1. 1LE, got him looking all clean and shit. Man, like I'm moving fast, sitting still. And I just picked up another project, y'all. I got the 2000 Z71 foes, 24 by 14s. Yeah, man, I just put the wheels on there. I gotta get the front end updated. I put the back lights on there, but yeah, we're gonna get to this beautiful thing, man, in a minute, man. Just want to show y'all my Sunday fun day. Headlights on that thing. Excuse me, tail lights on that thing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I came to see the Linc. Pulled her out the garage. She been sitting. It's been a mission, y'all. I done bent my wheels, hopping, broke some shit. You know what I'm saying? And I just kind of got frustrated, you know what I mean? But that's part of the process. I got them brains blue. Shout out to my guys at Phoenix for taking the opportunity and getting my moonroof done. They did it in one day, y'all. We don't get customer service like that no more, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else drag it out. You know what I'm saying? Too long. Had your car for 17 months and shit. You know what I'm saying? They had it done in 24 hours. So I don't know if I'm gonna put the video of me going to the shop. I'll probably put it in there if y'all ain't seen it already. But it's good to look up. We ain't hiding nothing from God. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a rag, but it's got that moon in there. So they installed it right here. I should have told them to put it right here, but I didn't. But the buttons are right here. It's a basically open, close, auto, and then it also vent. You know what I'm saying? Let me close that thing for y'all real quick. See that one button touch. This is a 33 by 19, I want to say. And then you can, I gotta turn the ignition. Oh, and then also, when you turn the ignition off, the roof automatically closes by itself. So I like that feature. And it goes right here if you wanted to go back a little bit more. Boom, it'll go all the way back. So shout out to them guys, man. They did a great job. This is a little bit bigger than factory. I think I said a 33 by 19. So shout out to them guys, man, for plugging me up, getting me right. If y'all looking to get y'all sunroof, moonroof done, hit them up. Hit them up, man. I think I paid roughly under around 1900, I think I want to say, to get it done. Like I said, it came out good, man. Give you a warranty and everything. So if y'all looking to get y'all stuff done, holla at them. Just a quick, short video of me just getting an update. Like I said, the car was broke. Man, I'm telling you, I broke the battery tray, you know, bent the front rim lug nuts flew off. It's been a journey, man, but it's a part of the low riding game, man. It's still clean as a bitch, and we're gonna continue to go there. So next up, y'all, jump in the comments and tell me what we gonna do next, because I still want to do the paint. I want to just do the paint all over again. There's so many white on whites. I know I got a pearl, but it's still a lot of white on whites, and now I'm seeing everybody car, you know, kind of resemble mine a little bit, or mine resemble theirs, either or. But I want to kind of change it up a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but if I was to do it, I would do like a blue pearl over that white, and kind of just change it up a tad bit, but nothing crazy. And then we still got the interior to go. You know what I'm saying? I know I said I was gonna do the interior. I'm just trying to fulfill everything that I said I was gonna do when it came to this build. And the moonroof and the stars was one of my big things. And the moonroof, I always wanted one of these with a moon. I finally got it, man. I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna just spin the bag and go ahead and get it done. So got the moon, y'all, now. Now it's time to add the other batteries and then break these motherfuckers off. You know what I'm saying? Linc gang. My shit's so clean. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look like it came out of the showroom. I'm not even bullshitting. Super clean. Got the little end dash in that joint. I was gonna do the double end, but I just did the end dash, whatever. Straight car, man, that's how we do it in LA. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm in AZ, shout out to AZ. You know what I'm saying? I fucks with AZ's tough. But yeah, so there it is, y'all. Linc gang. We working, y'all. I'm gonna try to clock back in. And I've been doing all other types of other stuff. I done bought cars in between there and flipped them in. You know, I just bought that motherfucker. I could have took all that money and put it in here, but it is what it is. It's a part of the game. This shit's still sitting over here. We gonna get it right though, man. We gonna make sure we do everything we said we was gonna do. So next up is going to be the supercharger. And then y'all jump in the comments, man, and tell me what y'all think, man. What we gonna do next? In a minute. Shout out to all my Linc gang family. Y'all keep messing with me. I'm gonna keep rocking with y'all. We can go from there.